Hello. Today's recording is part of the Blackboard building block integration series. In particular, we're going to be talking about grade return for the student. I'm going to click on a course here that I've already created. I came in and I went into the content and I made this tool. When I made that tool, I came into the tool section here and did the TestOut LabSim course. And the thing that I wanted to highlight is when I built that tool, this section here is related to my gradebook. I unchecked these boxes because I wanted to grade only on lab simulations and the practice exams. I hit add content. The button was then created, and then if I went into the grade center or the results center, I select the full gradebook, and you can see those links were all created within typically about 5, maybe 10 minutes. That should be created. So once that's created, your students are then ready to go in and do assignments, and those grades will be passed back. Let me show you that experience. I'm going to actually log out and log back in as a teacher. As a student. All right, now that I'm logged in as a student, I'm going to come in to my class. I'm going to come into the content section. I'm going to launch the content. It's going to ask me for the activation code. Let me throw one in. So now that that's in there, just so you're aware, we have another video about this, how to get your activation code. Activate, this should only have to be done once, the very first time the student logs in, then they'll have their 18 months. Now that I'm in the course, I'm going to go to the assignments. I'm going to come in here. Let me find a different one. This is the one that I wanted. So set up a computer, come in here. The first instructions, plug the power strip into the wall, and then the second one, plug the computer into the power strip. So now plug that in, and the next step again is to plug the computer into the power strip. So let's go to the back, let's go to cables, and bear with me on this. Okay, I'm going to score my lab, and I got 2 things right. Click done, and then I'm going to come back into my Blackboard and see how long it takes for the grade to return. So now that I'm in as a student, you can see that the grade has been passed back. Got that 2 out of 10 for 127. And so that's the process. Typically grades will be passed back within, again, 5 to 10 minutes, just depending. So that should be it for grade return, and good luck. Thanks.